When it comes to finding reliable surveyors in Jaewar Noida, look no further. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to providing accurate and efficient surveying services to clients in the area. Whether you need land surveying, topographic surveying, or construction surveying, we have the knowledge and expertise to get the job done right. Our surveyors in Jaewar Noida are well versed in the latest technology and techniques, ensuring that you receive the most precise and detailed results possible. At our surveying company, we understand the importance of delivering timely and reliable results. That's why we prioritize efficiency and accuracy in every project we undertake. Our team of surveyors in Jaewar Noida utilizes state-of-the-art equipment and software to ensure that measurements and calculations are precise and error-free. With our attention to detail and commitment to excellence, you can trust that your surveying needs will be met with the highest level of professionalism. One of the areas where our surveyors in Jaewar Noida excel is in Scon design. Scon design refers to the planning and layout of outdoor lighting fixtures, specifically wall-mounted fixtures that provide both illumination and aesthetic appeal. Our team has extensive experience in designing scons that enhance the architectural features of a building while providing adequate lighting for safety and security purposes. When it comes to scon design, our surveyors in Jaewar Noida take into account various factors such as the building style, location, and purpose. In conclusion, if you are looking for reliable surveyors in Jaewar Noida, our team is ready to assist you. With our expertise in various surveying services and specialization in scon design, we can meet all your surveying needs with professionalism and precision. Look no further when looking for trustworthy surveyors in Jaewar Noida. Our team of qualified experts is committed to offering local clients precise and effective surveying services. We have the skills and experience necessary to complete any surveying project, whether it be land surveying, topographic surveying, or construction surveying. You can be sure that you'll get the most accurate and thorough reports possible because our surveyors in Jaewar Noida are knowledgeable in the most recent technology and methodologies. We at our surveying business recognize the value of providing accurate reports on schedule. Because of this, we give efficiency and accuracy the top priority in every project we work on. Modern tools and software are used by our team of surveyors in Jaewar Noida to ensure that measurements and computations are accurate. There is no need to search further for reputable surveyors in Jaewar Noida. Our team of skilled specialists is committed to offering clients in the area accurate and effective surveying services. We have the skills and experience to complete the task correctly whether you need land surveying, topographic surveying, or construction surveying. Our surveyors in Jaewar Noida are knowledgeable in the most recent methods and technologies, ensuring that you get the most accurate and thorough reports. We recognize the value of providing prompt and accurate results at our surveying business. We give efficiency and accuracy